Today we're gonna be driving dune buggies in the desert outside of Las Vegas. What was the website again, Ross?
ATV Las Vegas.
ATV Las Vegas?
Yeah.
So hopefully we can get some good drone shots, some good, honestly, B-roll, and honestly just have some fun in the desert. Why are we doing this?
Ford Racing Blue. First on race day.
Goodness.
This is your upshift, and I'm gonna tell you how it works. As you push your gas, your needle's gonna climb. Your needle's gonna get to 4, 5, and 6. Ideally, that's when you're gonna wanna hit your upshift. As soon as you hit that upshift, you're in gear 2. Same thing, needle starts where it is, RPMs climb, 4, 5, 6, bam, you in gear 3.
I'm telling you guys, when you come to Vegas, make sure you go out to the desert and you do fun stuff like this, and you don't just stay in your hotel gambling or beach parties, everything. Like I said, dusty, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Do not wear nice clothes. Long sleeves, everything. You will, even if you're black, you will walk out here like you a ghost. Casper, where you at? All right, so we're gonna have like a little small story tell session, right? Why? All right, before I let the video play any longer, if you want to stick around and listen to this video, it's not gonna be the best audio. If you want to hear better audio, click 30 seconds after this. You know how it goes when you're driving an ATV in the desert, the sand got all in the mic and everything. My apologies as a YouTuber, not everything's gonna be perfect. All right, let's get back to the video. Do I want to make travel videos? Why do I want to travel the world? Why am I going to the desert of Las Vegas and then, you know, to tropical paradise at the end of this week? I guess it's because I just love to see different landscapes, different cultures, trying the different foods that they offer in those countries. I really want to tell a story about the world, everything the world has to offer, the people, what they love to do, what they hate, and just show their country, show their cities, and just tell their story. I don't want to just be in Paris, France, like enjoying myself in front of the Eiffel Tower. No, I want to be at the Louvre. I want to be telling a story with the locals there who live in that city. So this is why we are out here in the desert of Nevada. You guys also get food, choice of turkey or ham from Subway and some potato chips. But I'm telling you guys right now, please don't be dirty. Like, bring some hand sanitizer. You're gonna use the water, get all that dust off. They're just making me assy out here. If you black, I'm telling you, you're gonna be assy out here.
Put it on there.
Bro, mayonnaise is disgusting.
It's messy, but hey, I can't eat a dry sandwich. You gotta have something wet on it. It's just a regular sandwich. Ain't nothing special. We ain't even got no cheese on it.
Just a regular sandwich, ain't nothing special. Eating Subway in the desert. Who would have thought?
Jeremy.
Jessica.
We from Houston. The ride is pretty cool, man. I'm in a lot of dust out here, but yeah, it's pretty cool. First time.
Hot.
Yeah, hot as heck. Yeah, hot. I ain't gonna cuss on it, my fault. Yeah,
it's all good.
Broaden your horizons.
Yeah, got to.
Oh, yeah. There you are.
Okay, what's up? I'm from the Birmingham Big 205. We enjoyed the ride. It was awesome. Like, the best experience I've ever had on an ATV ride.
All right.
YZ right there, bro. That's gonna be the 2-seater.
Okay.
I mean, the paddle shifter, so you're interacting with it the whole time.
Yeah, that paddle shit, I love being in control. Yeah, I can control when I want to speed up more.
You can slap it down, bro, and you catch that gear, bro. And you
And then you can
I'm telling you guys, come out to the sand dunes. It's really fun, crazy wild, dirt everywhere, dust. Like, just living life. Live life out there, I'm telling you. Go somewhere, travel, leave your city, your state, your high school town, go to another country, and just go to the sand dunes. Go to the desert. You won't die, I promise. Well, at least be safe with it. I can't promise anything. Bye. Bye, just a little bit.
So, all in all, it was $475. No taxes included. They didn't charge tax, so it was just $475 flat. So not bad for 2 people. Not bad. I can't tilt my head back.
How do you like driving it? This is honestly so amazing. This has shown me that I want to freaking travel for my job. Do not go to work and then go home and then that's your life. That's boring. You know what? Oh, fuck, I thought it was